click on create site collections. Under create site collections, I'm giving for my site as app development, description as app development, and the site is app development. So here I'm choosing a site of type developer site. So this site for developers to build, test and publish apps. Here I'm saying administrator. I'm giving the primary site collection administrator as administrator, and for the time being, so what I did was I created already one site collection which is of developer site. If I go back here, view all site collections, here if you see I already created the root site with the name of app development, and it's stored in SharePoint Journey content database. So let me open the site. This is my site where I'm going to deploy my basic app. Okay, so to develop a basic app we'll use Visual Studio 2012, and which is having the developers tools which already installed in it. Let me open my Visual Studio 2012, and here I'm going to create a new project for creating a basic SharePoint hosted app. To create that, under office/SharePoint section, I'll choose apps. Under this I'll click on app for SharePoint 2013. Here what I'll do is I'll name it as my first app. I'm clicking on OK. It will initiate the wizard. Here I can see my app name. If I want to change, I can change it, and to which web I'm going to deploy this particular app. So here it is, SharePointJourney.com. I'm just trying to check whether that particular site is exist or not. Yes, connection is successful. We were able to connect to SharePointJourney.com. And here, what is the type of hosting mechanism we are going to use? Here I'm using SharePoint hosted method. So what are the app which I'm going to deploy and develop? It will be in SharePoint site. So let me click on finish. It is going to create a project called my first app.